Eric, we have a new truck here at Harris Water that you're painting. How long have you been painting trucks for Harris Water?
A long time.
How many years now?
20 years.
About 20 years. And always the same style, right?
Yes, sir.
Same lettering?
Same lettering.
Same colors?
Same colors.
Always keep in line with the brand, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And how long does the process usually take you?
Take me like a week or 2 weeks.
A week to 2 weeks.
Yes.
Now, is this a bigger size truck than normal or about the average?
It's a big size truck.
What are you painting right now?
Painting one of the kids' name on the truck.
The kid's name? Whose name is that you're painting?
Ty.
Ty.
I guess he's the youngest one.
Ty is the youngest. So all the grandkids go on the front of the truck.
Yeah.
Looks like Austin is going next over here.
Yeah.
And when do you think you'll have the doors completed?
By tomorrow, you know.
Okay, good. Don't worry, I won't tell the boss. He won't hold you to it. Okay, Eric, thank you for your time.